Stock 4400 and company traffic, you guys are clear to rock and roll. Ladies and gentlemen, look now as both F-18 begin their takeoff roll on runway 8.
Welcome to Polyaero, a 4.0 educational center in the Hautes-Alpes. Come with me, we'll show you around.
This university has been training high-degree aeronautical technicians for 25 years. However, this center is brand new. It has been opened on October 21st in 2016 with the financial help of the region. The amphitheater will allow more than 60 people to take classes. Sometimes this room is also used to receive conference.
Here we are in the smart class where students can work together, as you can see here. Or as well, we can just move this place around so it makes it easier to work as a team. And that's the main purpose of this room.
Poyaero have a lot of aircrafts and engines to provide the students with practical knowledge and hardware to work with. The computer room provides students with software like CATCHA, which allows them to create and innovate. In this classroom, we also have access to a motor bay. This is a good learning tool for the students. Polyaero have also buy 3D printer to allow students to print their own works that will help them through their projects.